It's giving messy bun. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Mango Jim, also known as Keyshana, also known as Mango Jim. In this vlog, y'all, this is going to be my 24th birthday vlog, bitch. I feel like when I come on here, I be trying to be so composed with y'all, but I'm like, inside, I'm just like butterflies and all type of little excited shit going on. But yes, y'all, I'm turning 24 tomorrow, and I have a lot to do, what to get done before that time. I feel like I'm literally glowing. Like, I just look real good. I feel good. I smell good. I taste good. Like, period. Okay, first of all, it is September 13th. Why was I finna forget the date? Like, girl, you know your birthday, period. As of right now, I have yet to upload any videos to YouTube in like 3 weeks. Not fucking giving. So at the point of y'all seeing this vlog, I would have uploaded hella vlogs. I'm pushing the content, baby, period. But basically, y'all, in this video, I want y'all to get ready with me. I also was gonna make a separate video for me constructing my hair. I'm going to be, y'all, making a U-part wig. I'm really excited about that. So I need to take some of these twists down and also just prepare my hair, but I do not feel like washing it and taking it all down, so I'm just gonna do the little part and like my, you know, front of my hair and all that. I can also show y'all my bundles, period. They so long. It's giving 30 inches. The longest bundle is 28 inches, but baby, on me, my 5'1" motherfucking little ass, it's gonna be giving 30, y'all, and it's giving what it's supposed to give. I'm also gonna be picking out an outfit and just all type of festivities and stuff like that with y'all, because I'm literally celebrating for the rest of this month and for the rest of this year. And I just feel like not even just turning 24, but at this time of my life, like, it's like a heavy rebirth, bro. Like, heavy on the like rejuvenated energy, heavy on the like doing for you, heavy on the investing in myself, heavy on the getting my motherfucking W's, getting my blessings, my manifestations, like heavy on the like it's your time, like heavy on everything. But yes, y'all, over here I probably could put a to-do list, but I need to do laundry, start on my hair, I need to eat some more. I honestly think those is like the 3 things right now, y'all. So we gonna go ahead and get it in, period. I just called 333 as I was recording. And yeah, y'all just gonna come along with me, and thank y'all so much for joining me in today's video. And if you fucking with the vibes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 1 million YouTube bad babies, period. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get it in, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Y'all, I just finished cleaning my makeup brushes, and this is the second time I changed the water. The first time, of course, it was brown and it had all the gunk on it, but y'all, this is just the second time, bro. I'm just letting them sit just because, but I thought I was gonna have to like scrub them against my hand. Girl, look at these. Like, it's getting clean already. I'm just gonna, you know, mix it around in the water, but I'm gonna just be leaving it sitting right now. This is so fun. I'm not even gonna hold you. Just like, girl, but look at how clean my brushes is already. Like, then I clean my beauty blender as well. I just leave her sitting right there, but that's what I'm doing right now. So all of the makeup that I have, what I was looking in my makeup bag for was to clean off my brushes, but I also needed this because I'm gonna need this to go ahead and make my wig. Don't mind me, y'all, I'm also doing laundry. I'm being real motherfucking productive right now. This is also my makeup bag, so I'm finna go ahead and wipe this out, clean it out, and then put all my makeup back in there. Hey y'all, don't mind me, I still look a little basic. My hot glue gun is hot glue gunning. It's heated up, and I got a whole bunch of hot glue gun sticks. I'm gonna start doing my wig, my U-part wig. This is my hair, y'all, period. This is the dome cap that I am going to be using today, y'all. I got this from the beauty supply store. Let's get into the bundles. Y'all, it first came with this comb, then I got this pamphlet as well. It just says elephant hair instructions, a packet first of all instructions, y'all, on how to take care of the hair. And so these are the bundles, y'all. So 24, 26, and 28. So we're gonna start with 28. 28 is this one, and again, y'all, I am 5'1", so this basically comes to my hips, period. Bitch, my birthday is in 2 motherfucking minutes. 2 minutes, y'all. 2 minutes, bro. I will be 24 in 2 minutes. Charlie, baby. They need to get that bird. Charlie, this is water right here, man. You was trying to get the bird. You thought you could.
I need your lips on mine. Can you kiss me hard? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move. Your eyes, your name, I can hear you say, oh, I love this. La, 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 la. I lost my tongue, I want it. Oh, your eyes, your name, I can hear you say, oh, I love this. La, 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 la. I lost my tongue, I want it. Give me a bug, need the Gucci stuff. Push your limit, now you ain't good enough. All your niggas say that you lost without me. All my bitches feel like I dodged the county. Fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that. Yours. Got tipping with your friend, you ain't even had me lying. You know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control on soda pays if I throw back all this ass for real. I'ma make you feel fantasy with a bit. It's all I can. Can you kiss me hard? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. It's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you move.
yes. Mine. My mind.
Y'all, look at the sun. Wow. I'm gonna get some birthday flicks or something.
birthday, flex or something.
All right, come on.
all day.
Hey y'all, I'm outside having a smoke session. I'm baked, period. But I just wanted to come and check in with y'all on my 24th birthday. It's been such a vibe, y'all. I haven't vlogged too much, but like the festivities just beginning, bitch, period. And say also good night, because I think I'm finna go in and take a shower. I definitely will show y'all maybe some of my birthday gifts. I've had a beautiful day. And I want to smoke with y'all. Nature smoke sessions be a fucking vibe.
Call me